Well, Adam, we're a little late. We should have done this in the springtime. We're replacing these springs because, well, we were just joking about it.
So I will explain to you. There is a conversion kit you can get for these vehicles to convert them from airbags/air springs to a spring suspension. And what they come with are brand new shocks and all the hardware related to mounting these springs in the said position that the old airbags would be in. And so, that being said, for some reason they chose the most ridiculous spring rates. They're very, very thin, soft springs. Very soft. So it gives the car an extra bouncy ride. So what we are doing, we found these springs. These are more close to a Crown Victoria or a Police Interceptor spring. It's more stiff. It's not going to be soft and spongy. I mean, so we're hoping it gives it a better ride quality.
Well, they're the MOOG. I think it's a MOOG 865 cargo control.
And this we'll be coming back to because,
yeah, we had a little problem in a video that hasn't been released. What we need to do is get the axle in the air.
So we're gonna have to
jack it up by the frame.
Yep, and I need to.
And then once we do that, then we can, we'll need to use the jack again to jack the axle because we have to undo the shocks. It's like the loudest thing ever.
Your neighbor calls. She's like, "You better put that jack out, or I'm calling the fire."
Yeah, fuck. So I tried charging the Multiple battery, but it's at 3 volts and the charger won't take.
Oh, it's gone. Well, I think it's.
I like how there's a bird just chilling right here.
Is it really?
Yeah, he's right here, just chilling.
A bird or a beetle?
It's a bird. He's just
no,
chilling.
there's a bird and a beetle. See the beetle on fire?
Holy shit.
I think he's going for a snack.
He is. That's a big ass beetle. Hey, you know what that bird looks like? Bertie Sanders.
Oh no, fuck!
Sorry guys if there's a bit of a breeze rolling through, but I'm feeling good.
Breaking the wind.
And then you're like, I don't know why Adam's going on that side. Shock nuts on this side.
I know.
Meh.
I don't remember what size it is anyways.
Luckily on the other side of the stud, there's a, you can put like a 19 I think is a little loose, but I think it's an 18, but 19 held it. And then he was able to run off. We got it free. And now when he's done texting, he's going to,
my sister, she's like, how are you doing?
I'm like, what are you eating? You're like, I already ate. I'm like, what are you eating? No, ate. Slowly let her down.
Fast!
The whole axle falls out. So on this side, we got the spring out. And what I did, I had Adam get a pry bar between the frame and the tire, push it down, and it's just enough to relieve the spring. And then after doing that, the old one I had to thread out. I threaded it out and I had it all wrapped around the.
Take the tire off of this one.
Wrapped around the e-brake cable there, and I just threaded it through there. But yeah, we might have to take the tire off for the other side. Also, the other difference we noticed, they seem to be about the same wire diameter, but there is a difference in weight. Like that feels a little bit heavier.
And that thing's, look, it's shaking all over the place.
Yeah, it's just shaking. And then this one, I'm just.
Bad.
So, then the other thing is, if you look at this versus, oh yeah, we have more. There's more coils. So there's definitely a difference in the spring. Same height. I think that is good. This is going to make a difference for sure. I don't know if it's the rust on the pad, but they're too tight and they won't fit. So there are upper insulators already in here, so we're going to use those and just put the new springs in the way the old ones came out. And it wasn't making any weird noises before.
No, it's just riding like a bag of.
Yeah, bag of beep. I'm gonna record Adam getting his side out, and then.
Well, you're gonna have to do the pry bar thing when I pull it out.
Okay. Oh, let me set up the tripod. Oh, set up the tripod.
That's what I saw.
Oh my god.
All right. Oh, that's.
Oh!
So now you should be able to thread it out.
Hold on. Ow! Bitch! It was like, what? Fuck your hand? I got it! Don't worry. Be happy. Blame it all on my roots. She showed up like a hooker. Ruined my... Yeah, damn it! Get out of there!
Hey, you might be able to get it. You might have to try and... Can you turn it?
No. I gotta get it to the angle first, and then I can turn it.
Oh.
It's stuck in the caliper.
And then the exhaust is like, hey, buddy.
Well, an insulator, what's that?
Oh, yeah, just keep that aside. There you go.
I think they're the same ones we have.
Yeah, but I couldn't get to fit.
The top ones?
Yeah, the new ones, I couldn't get to fit. They're like too tight.
Oh, right.
So I'm reusing the old ones.
So just like Jimmy did.
Yeah, just thread it out. We could have done this in a Walmart parking lot. And this is the top. The
Springer side?
Yeah.
Oh,
and then no, just get it in there first and then put your thing in there, else it'll just fall off on you.
You mean it's gonna fuck off on me, Jenna?
You know, this whole thing's gonna go off on you.
No, it's not. It's gonna go in here like it's supposed to. Just let it happen. Shh. You'll be okay.
Somebody's going, that's not the way you install springs.
You're like, hey, whatever gets the job done, that's all I care about.
Well, if you want to drop the whole axle, but you might be gassed.
Well, then we'd have to undo the sway bar, and it's like,
And then all these control arms, which use star bits that are fucking huge as hell. I don't want anything to do with that!
No, you buy. Okay, I got it in here. We'll put this in here. I go, okay.
okay, hold on. Let me get those 1-inch rubber spring lips.
Oh God, fuck me!
Spreader opener.
And she's on new springs.
Okay, all right, let's put the shocks in. We'll put some. Oh, we could. You know what? We could drop the axle on even more. Put some coil spring spacers in there.
Oh, that.
Give it a lift. You know, Baja.
No!
All right. Send it.
There he goes! There he goes!
I mean, I can't operate this right now.
Watch your hands. The jack's not on there all the way.
Well, I know it's not on there, Jimmy. I put it on there. I'm just starting this because as soon as you're like, you know, you can just put that on there and cross through the fuck out of it and send it home.
Drop it down.
Oh, God damn it!
Actually, this is like our best jack we have.
Yeah.
Mine we don't ever use. I don't know where it's fucking good, actually.
He's like right up against the fence.
I had to do this the last time to get this side up. Right between the fence.
Like I'm some kind of peeping Tom! See what you're doing there, take your bra off! Sam, I'll tell you what! Then I just sent my special stuff over the fence.
So like, wait a minute, what's he talking about?
I'll leave your gutter trash to find out for yourself!
Okay.
You're not comfortable enough. No, wait, Jimmy, no. Come on.
Oh, are you gonna?
I'm pretty much like how they used to, a big old giant cane right off the stage kind of thing going on here.
Can you grab the socket?
Tell you what, I did it!
Grab the socket kit. It's a little better. The front's still kind of squishy.
Oh, this is gonna be great.
a matching set for the front.
This is nice. I think it is higher. This is good. I like this. Because the Crown Victoria is supposed to be higher. The spring is a lot taller.
Huh.
Which is fine with me. Now it stands.
Yeah. Honk. Can't feel how fast I'm going.
No, it's not exploding. I mean, front, I think it's pretty fun. No, Bernie, no, don't do it! Suicidal Bernie! He has nothing to live for!
It doesn't continue to bounce. Even on a smaller scale, you're just like, stop it, just stop, stop.
Actually,
The front's just...
Yeah, well, I'm gonna have to go over to do some research.
Find some Moogs for the front. Nice. So you happy?
Oh yeah. Now we're just gonna do little things like this and keep going at it.
Yeah.
Getting it ready for its maiden turbo page.
Yep.
Which is still a work in progress. Greg, where are we
Like, it's a brain fart at this point. Alright guys, we're gonna close it up here. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you next time.
See ya.
See ya.